Senator Bong Go shot back at critics mocking President Duterte's supposed absence during the fury of Typhoon Ulysses. The hashtag "Nasaan ang Pangulo" became a trending topic on Twitter while the typhoon was lashing across Luzon. Go used the hashtag "Nandito ang Pangulo" to respond. After his public address, Duterte went to check the flood-hit communities while aboard a helicopter. Go said the president has ordered the use of all government assets for rescue and relief efforts.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.